Hi everybody, my name is Nadia. Today I will be cooking scrambled eggs with the cauliflower. I think you know many recipes how to cook scrambled eggs with the cauliflower. But this recipe will be unusual. At least I've never seen such a recipe anywhere. I invented it myself, and now I will share this recipe with you. This recipe is easy and fast to cook. It will take only 5 minutes, and the scrambled eggs will be ready. For one serving, we will need 2 eggs, a little bit of cauliflower, about a couple tablespoons of butter and salt. Let's begin. First, I will take the butter and put it in the frying pan. While the butter melted, I will prepare the cauliflower. First, I will cut it with a knife into pieces. I have this very small food processor. I like it a lot. It is very handy and perfect size for this small job. I have it for about 8 years and it is still strong. Oh, and price is great too. I think I've paid $9.99. And then I'll break it up to smaller, like a grain-sized pieces in the food processor. This is what it looks like now. Perfect. Now the butter is almost melted, and it is time to put our cauliflower into the pan and stir it around so cauliflower is evenly coated with the melted butter. I will fry cauliflower for about 2 minutes. We need to stir it until all the cauliflower is covered with the melted butter. Now we can cover our pan with a lid. And while it is frying, we will prepare the eggs. I will just break the eggs with a fork. I will salt it for my taste. I also will salt my beautiful cauliflower. Now we need to pour the eggs into a frying pan. And mix it, so the eggs will be mixed well with the cauliflower. Cover with the lid and let it stay until the fried eggs are ready. Okay, well done! Look at our beautiful scrambled eggs with the cauliflower. Look at this ruddy amber color. It looks juicy and delicious. To make it even more beautiful, we can sprinkle eggs with some herbs. I will put fresh green dill.
Она получается очень нежная, слегка рассыпчатая, потому что внутри цветная капуста. И она очень-очень вкусная. Я думаю, что вам понравится.
I'm sure
Я желаю
that you
вам
will like it,
удачи,
and I wish you a
приятного
bon appetit.
аппетита. И если
If you
у вас
liked my
нет
little food processor and
которым
want to
вы
get
можете
one for
перемолоть
you,
цветную
you can
капусту,
click on our Amazon
можете очень
affiliated
легко
links
купить
below
ее.
in
У
description
нас внизу
and
в
buy it from there.
описании есть ссылка
It will
на
not cost you a
Amazon.com.
penny more. Plus, you can support
Пойдите на
our
эту
channel
ссылку
for
и
free.
вы
So
сразу
we will be
окажетесь
able to
там,
make
где
videos and bring
продается
more delicious
этот
recipes for you. Thank you for
Спасибо
your
за то, что
support.
посмотрели мои
Thank you for
видео.
watching my video.
Желаю
Enjoy
вам
my secret recipe. Please subscribe to our channel, leave your comments, like our video. I'll see you later. Bye.
С Надей готовить приятно, быстро, легко и вкусно. Будь это плов ароматный или простая капуста.